So today I'm going to show you how to do a really simple and easy 1920s hairdo for like a Gatsby ball, a party, a masquerade ball, anything like that. And we're going to use one of my headbands. So you can back comb your hair first. I'm just going to position it. So this is one that you would wear like on your forehead, like so. I have other ones that are just on the side, but you can do the same sort of hairdo. So you get your hair to little sections. So you can do this with short hair as well. It's probably easier with short hair. And just wrap it round the headband like so, only a few times. Then get the next piece, do the same, just twist that a little bit to make it easier. That, so undo it a little bit, it doesn't have to be super tight. You can always curl your hair first for that extra volume. But mine's pretty wavy anyway, so don't need to do that. And then you can tuck little bits in just to give it that extra volume. Now I'm actually going to start with this side. Twist it a little bit. And then the last section, I'm just going to stuff in the curls, in the headbands. There we go. And then obviously you can do your makeup accordingly. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.